you're not treating everyone like that. No way you're eating just anyone like that. What a good view, looking at you do what you do. It's worth the wait if it's anything like that. Been a while but the memory's on tap. Kick off your shoes, who's first you choose, I'm giving to.
Hey guys, half price book haul. So, the first thing that I knew I really wanted was this book, Phoebe Berman's Gonna Lose It by Brooke Averick. I've seen a lot of good things about this, and also when I heard the plot and kind of heard a little bit about it, I was like, oh, so she's like low-key me. And so yeah. So first thing, I went to the magazine section, and I got this one about dogs. Why we need them, why they need us. I want a dog ranch. Have you guys seen those on TikTok? OMG, they look the cutest thing ever. And I don't have this Taylor Swift magazine, and I love this interview with them together. And I've seen some really good ones that I remember from this as well that I really enjoyed. So I'm so excited. Okay, so continuing on. The first section we stopped in was the fiction and mystery section was first when I walked in. And I have been wanting to read some Agatha Christie. And I've heard And There Were None. And Then There Were None. Sorry, guys. Is a good one. And I'm excited. Strangers on a private island. Like, yes. Okay. Give me more. And I just read Home Before Dark by Riley Sager. And it was so good. And I want paperbacks of thrillers, to be honest. So when I saw the only one left, I was like, okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, babes. Yeah. Okay. Then the next thing are my romance picks. Yes, I got quite a few. So I've been collecting the Bridgerton books. I have a few of the prequels already. And listen, I know there's the controversial plot, the problematic plot in this one, the Duke and I, but I just love them. They're both so pretty. And she's like the eldest daughter. You guys, I love. And then I also got the Viscount Who Loves Me, because I also like Anthony, or Antony, as they say. I also really loved season 4, which is Benedict's story. I love them. And I really want to read Persuasion by Jane Austen. So I got this cute one. It has gold sides. And I have an Emma by Jane Austen that's this size as well. And it's really cute. So. And I love me an Allie Hazelwood novel. The Sprayed Edges. Discount. Summer vibes. Kinky. And then this one last stop. I've also heard this one is good and has some magical realism. And perfect for Pride Month. But you should be reading Pride books all year. Period Queens. Okay, so that's my haul. Other than that, I did get me a Dunkin' coffee. Because I wanted my free donut for National Donut Day.
I don't gotta say it. It's not luck, it's fact. You just got it like that. So what's that I'm saying on my mind like that? Oh, I tried behaving, not so patiently waiting. Still know my curves right. Memory serves it right, but I had control. Wanted to keep you in line. With those hands on me, I slip right out of my mind. Keep looking at me, boy. treating everyone like that. No way you're eating just anyone like that. What a good view, looking at you do what you do. It's worth the wait if it's anything like that. Been a while but the memory's on tap. Kick off your shoes, who's first you choose, I'm giving to. Still know my curves, right? Memory serves right, but I had control, wanted to keep you in line. With those hands on me, I slip right out of my mind. Keep looking at me, boy. Take time on my knees, whatever you like, 'cause you're always on mine. Your body on me, boy. Don't make me say please, it's been